How to transform clips without inspector panel in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added an image to my timeline. Click on the image and open the inspector panel. Here we can change zoom, position, rotation, and other properties. Using the inspector pane is a good idea when we want to put exact numbers, but we also can change these properties directly and freely from the viewer. At the bottom of the viewer, from the drop-down select Transform. Now there are some handles around the image that we can use. To change the position of it, click on the image and drag it around. To change the size of it proportionally, use one of its 4 edges. To change the size of it unproportionally, use one of 4 middle points. To rotate the image, use the topmost point and drag it to left or right. To change the anchor point, use the middle point and drag it around. Now click on the Reset button next to Transform to reset all the settings. We can animate all these properties. Move the playhead to the start, and click on the diamond button next to Transform. Then move the playhead a little forward and resize, change position, or rotate the image to your liking. Do this multiple times and we have a simple transform animation. Click on the Transform button at the bottom of the viewer to hide the controls. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.